In a world driven by consumerism and financial uncertainty, achieving true financial freedom can seem like an insurmountable goal. However, John Financial Guru's Pillars of Wealth: How to Make, Save, and Invest Your Money to Achieve Financial Freedom offers readers a comprehensive roadmap towards financial success and independence. With a wealth of practical advice and insightful strategies, this book empowers readers to take control of their financial destinies and build a solid foundation for a secure future. In this detailed book review, I will delve into the key concepts, strategies, and insights presented in Pillars of Wealth. I'll explore how this book provides valuable guidance on money management, saving, investing, and ultimately achieving financial freedom. Whether you are a financial novice or a seasoned investor, this book review will help you decide if Pillars of Wealth is the right addition to your personal finance library. Chapter 1: The Foundation of Financial Freedom. John Financial Guru begins by emphasizing the importance of a strong financial foundation. He argues that financial freedom cannot be achieved without a solid understanding of basic financial principles. This chapter serves as a wake-up call for readers who may have been neglecting their financial health. The author introduces the concept of the financial house, a metaphorical representation of one's financial life. This house has 4 key pillars: income, expenses, savings, and investments. Each pillar plays a crucial role in building and maintaining financial stability. Guru's approach is refreshingly straightforward, making complex financial concepts accessible to readers of all backgrounds. Chapter 2: Making Money Work for You. In the second chapter, John Financial Guru explores various income-generating strategies, emphasizing the importance of diversifying income sources. He discusses traditional employment, side gigs, freelancing, entrepreneurship, and investments as avenues for increasing income. His insights into leveraging skills and talents to boost earnings are particularly noteworthy. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the concept of passive income. Guru explains how to create streams of income that require minimal effort once established. He explores rental properties, dividends from stocks, and royalties from creative works as examples of passive income sources. Chapter 3: Mastering Your Expenses. Controlling expenses is just as important as increasing income when it comes to achieving financial freedom. In this chapter, Guru provides practical tips on budgeting, tracking expenses, and cutting unnecessary costs. He highlights the significance of distinguishing between needs and wants, a crucial skill for financial discipline. What sets this book apart is the author's emphasis on the psychological aspects of spending. Guru delves into the psychology of consumerism and offers strategies to overcome impulse buying and emotional spending. He also provides a step-by-step guide to creating an effective budget tailored to individual financial goals. Chapter 4: Saving for a Secure Future. While saving money may seem like a basic concept, Guru elevates it to a strategic practice in Pillars of Wealth. He discusses the importance of setting clear savings goals and creating an emergency fund. The book's practicality shines through as Guru provides a detailed savings plan, complete with milestones and timelines. One of the standout features of this chapter is its emphasis on automated saving. Guru explains how automating savings can ensure consistency and discipline in financial planning. Readers will find the strategies presented here easy to implement in their own lives. Chapter 5: The Art of Investing. Investing is the cornerstone of wealth creation, and Guru does an excellent job demystifying this complex subject. He starts with the basics, explaining various asset classes, risk tolerance, and investment goals. This chapter serves as a comprehensive primer for novice investors. Guru goes beyond the basics by discussing advanced investment strategies such as diversification, dollar-cost averaging, and asset allocation. He also introduces readers to the power of compound interest and how it can exponentially grow investments over time. The author's ability to make these concepts accessible is commendable. Chapter 6: Navigating the Investment Landscape. Chapter 6 takes a closer look at the practical aspects of investing. Guru offers insights into choosing the right investment platforms, selecting financial advisors, and conducting thorough research before making investment decisions. He stresses the importance of due diligence to avoid scams and pitfalls. Additionally, the author provides readers with a range of investment options, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. He discusses the pros and cons of each, helping readers determine which investments align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Chapter 7: Building Wealth Over Time. In this chapter, John Financial Guru reinforces the long-term perspective required for building substantial wealth. He discusses the importance of patience, discipline, and consistent investing. Guru illustrates his points with real-life success stories, showcasing how ordinary individuals have achieved financial freedom through sound financial practices. The chapter also covers strategies for optimizing retirement savings and planning for major life events such as buying a home or funding education. Guru's approach is holistic, considering both short-term and long-term financial goals. Chapter 8. Overcoming Obstacles to Financial Freedom. Financial obstacles are inevitable, but Guru equips readers with strategies to overcome them. He discusses common financial challenges, such as debt management and unexpected expenses, and offers practical solutions. His guidance on debt reduction is particularly valuable, providing readers with a step-by-step plan to become debt-free. The chapter also delves into the psychology of wealth, addressing limiting beliefs and attitudes that can hinder financial success. Guru's motivational style is inspiring and encourages readers to overcome their personal barriers to financial freedom. Chapter 9. Achieving True Financial Freedom. The final chapter of Pillars of Wealth brings everything together, guiding readers toward achieving true financial freedom. Guru presents a roadmap that includes consolidating wealth, estate planning, and leaving a financial legacy. He also explores the concept of philanthropy and how giving back can be an integral part of financial freedom. What sets this chapter apart is its focus on finding purpose and fulfillment beyond wealth accumulation. Guru encourages readers to define their own version of financial freedom, which may involve personal goals, family well-being, or social impact. Conclusion. Pillars of Wealth. How to Make, Save, and Invest Your Money to Achieve Financial Freedom by John Financial Guru is an impressive and comprehensive guide to personal finance. The book excels in simplifying complex financial concepts and providing actionable advice for readers at all levels of financial literacy. Throughout the book, Guru's motivational tone and real-life examples keep readers engaged and inspired. He combines practical strategies with psychological insights, making this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. While the book is highly informative, it is not without its minor drawbacks. Some readers may find certain sections repetitive, and a more in-depth exploration of tax strategies and retirement planning could have been beneficial. Nevertheless, these minor shortcomings do not detract significantly from the overall quality of the book. In summary, Pillars of Wealth is an excellent addition to the personal finance genre. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your existing strategies, John Financial Guru's book offers a roadmap to financial freedom that is both accessible and empowering. I highly recommend Pillars of Wealth to anyone seeking to improve their financial literacy, build a secure financial future, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. If you're interested in purchasing Pillars of Wealth, How to Make, Save, and Invest Your Money to Achieve Financial Freedom, you can do so through the affiliate link provided in the description. By using this link, you not only gain access to a valuable resource but also support the continued production of book reviews and content like this. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with knowledge and action. Pillars of Wealth can be your guide on this path to a more secure and prosperous future.